Look, he's looking right at me.
Oh, look. Is that him? That's not him. That is him. Oh, how did he do that?
I am again.
Don't hurt him. I want to see him do it.
Watch. He mommy of
He said, I know there's food in there, but I don't. Look. You watching, Ken?
Yeah, you might get to it this time.
Oh gosh, he did.
He got. Look at that.
Wait for him.
No. I want to see.
Wait, see if he slides.
Yeah, I want to see him slide. We gotta
Don't
get
slide.
him. Shh, stop! I want to get it on. I want to get it on video, and I hadn't seen it. Stop! Don't make him jump and fall. Ken. Emily, you could do something on YouTube about that. You could have the Squirrel Olympics
Oh.
of competing. It's an Olympics theme. All right, let me see.
Very good.
I have my way about it. It'll be the handicap squirrel Olympics.
Stop it. That's why God's going to get you, because that's God's squirrel. He made it.
Shut up.
Didn't. You
Look,
better
there he goes. Look, there he goes. Oh, you saw how he was sliding earlier.
find it. Go. Give it up. Give it up.